Hello everyone, this is Shubham Singh and I am the founding director and CEO of my startup company Shubdeep Innovations Private Limited. As you all might know that I passed out as a mechanical engineering graduate from Gurukul Kangadi University in 2019. My college life during those 4 years, my life at the college was very exciting and a bit challenging also. But under the guidance of the great personalities there, some of the professors, I overcome that challenges and I was easily pursuing my dreams. During those 4 years, I worked on different types of projects. Just like in the second year of my BTech degree, I myself and along with some of my batchmates, we have designed and successfully built an electric go-kart from the limited resources available at that time in the college, under the valuable guidance of Mr. Sanjeev Lamba sir, who was in charge of our mechanical engineering department. The electric go-kart project was very successful, and we participated with it in a national level competition at Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and secured a very good place in the top 5 contesting teams at national level. After that electric go-kart project, I resumed my research and studies in the field of drones and UAVs, that is unmanned aerial vehicles. Because I was very fond of, I have a keen interest and a kind of relation that I can't explain from my childhood with the flying objects. Whenever I see any object flying in the sky, my mind totally gone off the field. So I am very fond of flying objects. I got the opportunity in the college to work and to research and to study in this field along with the academics. I fortunately performed very well in the academics also, because academics along with your practical knowledge is very important. So after second year, I started researching and studying in the field of drones and UAVs, and during rest of the years I successfully designed and built different types of quadcopter drones and some kind of and different types of fixed wing UAV drones as well. And due to this work, I got lots of appreciations from the college, from our university, as well as from other technical institutions, like from the professors of IIT Roorkee, from the professors of IIT Kanpur, and other private and government institutions. I got lots of appreciations. In the final year 2019, I think I participated in an international robotics championship which was held in Delhi and organized by All India Council of Robotics and Automation. We participated, we played very well in a 4 to 5 day long championship in the field of drone designing and piloting. And fortunately, as you all might know, that I secured a first rank at international level and got lots of prizes, trophies, memento at there, and a cash prize of 60,000 rupees as well. So that was a very epic and memorable moment during the college life. And after that, when I was in the final semester from the fourth year, I designed and built a long range fixed wing UAV as my major project in the final semester, under the guidance of Mr. Lamba sir, Sanjeev Lamba sir. And successful, that project was also very successful. We have demonstrated its flight in the college football ground, and everyone got shocked, surprised, as well as giving me lots of congratulations and all. And that was a also very successful project. And that fixed wing drone is capable of carrying heavy payloads with it, and on demand payload dropping capability within the range of 2.5 kilometers from the point it took off. So that was a epic moment for me, and the most memorable moment I can say in the whole college life. And after the college, I continued my research in this field, and now recently I founded a startup company in this field of drones and electric vehicles. And now I am the founding director and CEO of my company. My company deals in the manufacturing of sub 250 gram drones for various applications, and some kind of drone services. The field in which the drone, the uses of drone can be done, like the spraying of fertilizers and pesticides in the large crop fields, dusting of vast span of orchard fields using the drones. So my company is dealing in this field. And here you can see these are some of the models of drones which I have designed and built. I'm also applying for some patents in some categories of drones, and some categories of electric vehicles, specifically for an electric cycle which I have recently designed, which is my Mark II electric cycle. When I will get the patent, I will notify you all about that. During the whole college life, I always got valuable support, help from various personalities in the college, various professors, teachers, lab technicians. I can name some of them as Mr. Sanjeev Lamba sir, Mr. Kapil Dev Sharma sir, Mr. Nishant sir from Computer Science Department, Mr. Valyan sir from Sports Department, Mr. Deswal sir, Mr. Desraj sir, who was our lab technician in the Mechanical Engineering Department. So I was very fortunate to have such kind of personality, such kind of persons around me in the college. I'm very thankful to all of them for nurturing me, for motivating me, for inspiring me to pursue my dreams, to help me in the academics as well. So this was my story. Hope you will learn something from my experience, and wishing you all a very bright and successful future. Thanks for listening me. Thank you.